nefarious would try something like mentioning. I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend.
Dwi'n mynd I grio. Mae'r gem ma mor cute. Helo pawb, a chroeso nôl i'r sianel PopT. Heddiw ma, Ratchet a Clank. Woohoo! Ond, cyn I ni fynd mewn i'r fideo yma heddiw, cofiwch chi I Tanysgrifia i'r sianel I adael hoff, a hefyd I wasgu y glwch notification fyny fanna, please, os gwelwch y dda. Diolch yn fawr. O'n i'n neidio mewn, ia? Woohoo! Dwi'n mor excited.
Give a big welcome to the grand marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank!
To shoot flag ships. Oh, cool. So I need safety stuff.
I think I found the wombat!
Uh-oh.
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
I'm sorry, gwffio.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Whoa! Oh, yes, dwi'n lyfio'r bits yma.
I hope
Ti'n
this is
gallu
not
fel
about your gift. Hurry,
llithro.
we must get to the front of the
Dwi'n
parade
llithro.
route.
Oh na! Dwi wrth fy modd efo gem ma'n barod, mae'n mor cool. Yr iconic Magna Boots. Move and aim, oce. Yay. Di siarad hyddian. Level up. Dwi'n gallu seithi y peth ma sy'n fflio yn yr awyr. Dwi'n eisiau deud awyren. Wow. Wow. Wey, cool.
Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to. I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
No,
Dwi'n mynd I grio. Mae'r gem ma mor cute. Oh.
Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank!
Hwn ydi fel nemesis,
Wonderful surprise!
wrth gwrs.
I didn't expect to see you.
So'r un gem yn gallu bod yn syml nag oes?
Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Ofn, reit, dwi angen yr ammo ma. Os nid I roi lle I fi.
Bill, here?
Click i'r botwm. Oh. Fireworks.
I should have known that fairies would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up.
Chi'n methu twsiad fi. Chi'n methu twsiad fi. O, oce, eich bod chi yn. Sorry.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Diolch.
Done it without you, pal.
A ni'n cael boss battle cynta ni.
Paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let nefarious overuse the
Oce. Wow. Oce, iawn. Do, nath o brifo.
Toads are so unpleasant.
Yes!
You think a crushing
Can you
defeat
nail?
is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win!
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Esgusodwch fi. Be yn y multiverse?
How bad is it?
Well, it is
Whoa.
certainly not good.
Mae hyn yn cool.
Where are we?
Na, dwi'n gwybod be...
To the depths with my arms, you
Danny.
What manner of trickery!
Amser... Wel, dyna ni, Ratchet Clank Rift Apart. O'na gymaint o liwio, o'na gymaint o bethau gwahanol yn digwydd ar unwaith. Maen nhw wedi really agor allan fel universe Ratchet Clank. Os nathych chi fwynhau y fideo yma, cofiwch i adael hoff, cofiwch i wasgu'r gloch notification, a hefyd, please gadwch sylw lawr o fanna. Tan y tro nesa, tara! A diolch yn fawr iawn. A goodbye, a ta-ta.